after you download the Screencastify extension, it'll come up to the top of your Chrome. All you have to do is click on it. You'll have to accept some permissions at first, the first time you use it. And then you'll X out of the box at the top that pops up and click on it again. It'll open up just like this. You have different options from here. You have a tab recording, so if you have multiple tabs open on your Internet Explorer, it will only record one. You have the desktop option, which will record your entire desktop, or you have your cam option, which I'm not going to click on because I don't want you to see me, but that's an option as well. As you continue to look, you can see that the microphone over here is going up and down because it's recording me. You can also have it record system audio or your background music. And within the desktop, there is the option to embed the video cam, which means that you'll have a box pop up down here so you could see me as well. Once again, not going to do that. For right now, we're going to record the desktop. Now, if you're using something like Google Slides, where you want it to be in a presentation mode, it's kind of a race here. So I'm going to demonstrate really quickly. I'm going to hit Record Desktop, Present, and I'm going to try to beat the screen recording starting. I didn't quite do a good job. Usually, if Google's having a good day, I guess I did do it. It was taking a long time for Google to open up. So I'm actually recording what I'm doing, and I could go through the different slides and see whatever. From here, what I'll have to do is I can stop sharing my screen and exit out of my presentation. I guess I did do it. It was taking a long time for Google to open up. So I'm actually recording what I'm doing, and I can go through the different slides and see whatever. From here, what I'll have to do is I can... So it's actually playing my slides that I just recorded. Now, here's what I just recorded. It automatically uploads it and stores it to my Google Drive. From there, I can share it, I can download it. The crop and trim feature looks really good, but that's a paid only thing that you can do. But it's that simple to record and share stuff with other people.